Hello and welcome. In this video, I will discuss what is comment bank in Google Classroom, how to create and use comment bank in Google Classroom. Let's start. Open your classroom. I have already opened one of my classes. Let's open assignment. Click on classwork. The assignment. I will open one assignment. So from here, I will open one of the assignment. So this is the assignment using Google Docs. In the previous video, I shared how to give assignments to students using Google Docs. I will give link of this video in the description box. Check the video. Now let's see how to create comment bank. Firstly, when you open assignment, towards the right side, grading can be seen. So here is the student name, grades. You can give grade to the student. You can also give private comment to the student from here. In the small panel, here you will find comment bank. Click on this. Here I have already created comment bank. To create comment bank, click on add to bank option. So in comment bank, you can add comments one by one, or another way is you can add multiple comments at once. Firstly, let's see how to add one comment. Type your comment. After typing comment, click on add. Now the comment is added. Now let's see how to add multiple comments at once. Again, click on the plus sign to add comment to the bank. Start typing your comment. For example, this is my first comment. For second comment, press enter and type your comment. For the third comment, again type, again press enter. In this way, you can add more than one comment. Click on add. So here, 3 comments will be added in the comment bank. This is the first, second and third. In this way, you can add one comment in the comment bank, or you can also add multiple comments at once. In this way, you can create comments in comment bank. Now let's see how to use comments in comment bank. How to use comments. Firstly, select the portion or question you want to comment on. For example, I want to comment here. Select the portion. When you select the portion, immediately towards the right side, one icon appears of add comment. Click on add a comment. Here you can type a comment, or you can copy and paste the comment. For example, from my bank, this is my comment bank. From here, choose your comment. In front of the comment, click on the more option, click copy to clipboard, or you can even use this option to copy the comment and just paste the comment here. Click on comment. So it will appear in this way. There is a comment for define the following. The area or question you commented gets highlighted in this way. In front of the question, the comment appears in this way. So this means for this question, I have commented this comment. In this way, you can use comment in Google Classroom. Another way is you can select the portion and right click, and you can use comment option from here also. And you can type your comment here. You can also type your comment directly, or a comment list appears when you type the comment, and you can select one of the comment from here. After typing comment, click on comment option. Here Google also suggests comment for you. Here you can see, and you can also select. So this is another comment I have added. So in this way you can add comment to the assignments, and this is the comment bank. Now you can use grading option to switch grading. You can comment privately to the student and click on post. Click on written to return the assignment to the student. I have checked the assignment, added comments and written to the student. In this way, you can give feedback on assignments. You can give your students personalized feedback on any type of file in the classroom grading tool. You can leave comments on student work and maintain a comment bank to store comments that you use most often. So in this way, you can save your comments in the comment bank. This will help you to give feedback to students on assignments. Subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for more videos on Google Classroom. Thank you for watching.